Hello guys, welcome to another section with me. So in this section, I'm going to show you my day trading strategy that I have used to produce profits in the market over and over again. Okay, this is a strategy that's built on simply on support and resistance. Okay. Now, what's the day trading? Day trading is type of trading that you open and close within the day. And also, let me say this that this strategy also work for swing trading as well. Yes. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So now, if I want to take a trade for the day that I really love, so this is what I'm going to do. So now I'll come to the daily time frame, hour time frame, and then see where the price is going to. Look at the market structure. For like what we have right now in Bitcoin, now this is a complete downtrend we have right there. This you can see it is making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a downtrend market on Bitcoin. So you can see right there. So this is a downtrend market on Bitcoin. It's just going down more and more. So now that means that I've established that this thing is a market going down. So what should a right trader should be doing is that he should be looking for a sell opportunities on Bitcoin. Yes, on lower time frame. So that's what we should do. So now let me take our pick trade. So now, so I can let me say this market is, let's say, something around right there. Yeah, right there. That was 3 days ago. So then, and I'm going to mark this. This is the nearest. They just book out from this support zone. Yeah, so you can come out back. So I'll go for a retest with them. So now this is the support zone, and the price were already let's say the thing when I saw this chart. So let's assume that what I'm going to do next. Now, as now this is going down. So where is it going coming to next? The next zone is becoming to this support zone right there. This one, that's where we are actually right now. Yeah, right at this support zone already now. But if for 3 days ago it was just this big candle alone we have, so I'm going to work with this. So let's go to for our time frame. Now I'm going to mark out other zones I'm not seeing on the daily. Now normally since just break out of this zone, you know, the right thing should be that it should come back to test this zone like this, then go down more because it's downtrend. So when it break out of a zone, it's usually tests back that zone, hence creating higher, lower highs and lower low. Even also, it's also an option as well. Let's say this is zone A. It's break out of a zone like this. Let's say this is a zone like this. Let's say this is a zone. Let's say this is a zone. This is another zone. So if I start from here, break out to this zone, it come out to test this zone, then go up again like that, creating higher highs, higher low. That's a partially move in a trending market. That's why a trending market is very easy to trade, very lovely to trade. This is of a choppy market or ranging market. So that's why I remind people are focused on trending markets. Leave a choppy market out of the equation. It is just stressful. Most of the time, it can just be stressful. We are just here. So now go to my 1 hour time frame. So now on 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing this, right? Seeing this. So now I will be hoping for a retest of this zone before it come down more, but we didn't have a retest. Yeah. So that's it. Sometimes you have a retest, sometimes you don't have a retest. So if I don't have a retest like this, I'll just enter as it come down, then like the retest come like this to retest this zone. Then I'll just take a sell from here down to the side. And it ended up coming out to this side, but it does not just give us the test I need. So I'll just take a sell right at this zone down to this side. You see, so it will be a beautiful, lovely trade, but it did not happen. But in case it happened, let us trade such things like that. So please take note of that. So now, but it did not happen. So what did I do? I'm seeing some movements here right there, some minor support and stuff on this 1 hour time frame. So what should I do? Mark them out. Since I do not have a retest I want to have, then go to lower time frame, 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame, had it been that this market, break out of this zone, it seems like break out of this zone, like what we have here, it could have come to test this zone back, but it did not happen. So instead, it just rejects this zone. Now, if I want to, because this is a selling market, I could have just take a sell right at this zone here. But this is a minor range zone, so it's it has smaller, profit margin. This is a ranges box, so I would not like to take a trade here. But nonetheless, some can do that. You can see what happened here. Yeah, some can do it like that. See, but because just a quick day trading stuff, just to make profit for the day, not to ride anything for long. So like that. So then another thing that also happened for a sell, you know, for me, if I want to take a sell, I love to see some signs, long week candle at a good resistance, plus if sometimes also plus engulfing candle too, and sometimes just long week alone is okay for me, depending on the market structure, the market situation. You know, so I did not see. Okay, the next one I saw that's also cool for me is this guy right there, this this candle right here, like a retest of this previous move of sell that happened. This engulfing candle right there, but it is showing wicks at the bottom, so it is not cool. It is a sign of stand. It is between bearish and bullish, so I won't take that. Now, then another opportunity that also happened right there. This is a beautiful one. I love this so much. Yeah, it happened right there. Right there. My stop loss will be here. And I can sell down to this next support right here, or right there, or go down, take it down more. Since is on that time frame, it is very bearish. Now look at what happened. This is a massive, it's good to reward ratio. There was a massive sell on this asset. Massive sell happened, and that's what I'm talking about, man. So another thing that also happened, I'm also like is this zone. You can see I'm picking something, I'm leaving some out of the equation. And this is a massive engulfing candle, though, but because just look out of a zone of ranging and then came out to test that like what happened here. I'll just take this trade and with the good long week candle just enter the close of that long week. You can see that take a sell down to this zone already high from daily time frame. You can see it ended up becoming a winning trade. So it's a massive trade. And actually, I can also see on this chart now, if I want to take a trade now, the another one is this we had a break out of this, then came back to retest it, then this happened. But the another one is the retest of this zone, of this resistance right there. It's another zone and gave us a double top. I don't have taken this to initially, yes, but when I now saw this double top that's now forming up, then I can just take it. And I'm at the top now. So this is now this I'm at the top is bearish. Oh, sorry. At times this I'm look at as if like a test of this support, So come that I can just ignore this trade. Yeah, or I'll just take this one earlier, you know. So sometimes like that. So I think the best to do in a time like this is just ignore this completely. Just ignore it. When you're not too sure of a trade, ignore it. Okay, don't go for just picking all kind of trades. No, don't do that. You're going to burn your account that way. So when I'm not sure of it, this zone is a little bit convincing. So taking that trade, just ignore it. Now I can just take this one, but I will not take it because on daily time frame we are at a key support level. Please note this. Even though this is giving me a sell signal, but then type we are at a key support level, then two, this is multiple rejection of this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth time of testing this zone. Meaning that there's a buying pressure at this zone. So it cannot go lower below it. So I won't take this trade. Okay. So I will pass by. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. So let me see if I can get another opportunity again for another asset. Let's go for BNB. And that's on BNB. Let's go for BNB. So these are BNB now. BNB chart. You can see that BNB is also turning bullish on this zone because the buying zone. Now, because this is a buying zone now, if I want to take a trade now for today now, I'm looking for buying opportunities on BNB. So now, why am I buying to? Buying to this zone. Yeah, this is the next. Yeah, you can come and test this zone before you keep on selling again. So let me look for buying opportunities on BNB. I'm seeing some bullish signs on BNB already. Yeah, seeing them already. So so let's see how it's gonna go. Daily. So on daily we have something like this. You can see. So what am I looking for? I'm not taking it fit right here. Nah, I'm not confused here with all this what I'm seeing here. I want you to, want it to come up, break right at this zone, something like this. Then come back to test this zone. This will be entry for a buy up to be right at the zone for BNB. My stop loss will be below that zone. Then we are good to go. Now we're expecting to happen on BNB. So we'll be buying to this zone. So I'm buying to. This will be my target. This will be my final target. Why this one will be my middle target, this zone. First target and second target. So you can see now, so that I'm expecting to happen on BNB before I will take a buy. So now, for what happened on this 5th of May on BNB, let's say I'm active on that day trading where the disease this breakdown, and I'm looking for a sell opportunity. And when we break down out of this zone, so let's say I'll go to lower time frame. We are selling to this zone. Go to lower time frame. Now lower time frame actually this is where there is a breakout. Every time we come back to retest this zone, that'll be very good. But there are taken of attempts before to buy at this zone to become a bullish move, but it didn't really happen. So it means on lower time frame, you can see some happy to join this sell before it happen right there. This one are a little bit risky. You understand? So if you don't want to play with your money, you might just let them pass by. Now this is a zone. Yeah, I came back to test the zone, and I came back to test it again. So this way I have entered on this cell, join the party. Yes, I will join the party right there. Stop loss a little bit like this, and then sell to the zone. And you can see I picked the opportunity to re-enter and it happened. So that's how we can pick trades for a day trading trade. While soon, if you like, you can go to that 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, but those a little bit they'll give you a lot of opportunities to trade, yes. But at the same time also it can also reduce your main rate in the sense that some of us will stop loss. Yeah. some hit stop loss. Now, sometimes if I want to, say if I want to enter trade earlier with a very small risk to reward ratio, like what will happen here, if you have a breakout of this zone here and a retest of it right here, that was today, this morning, and I want to enter right here. This is my entry point. I'll just go to my 5-minute time frame. So that means I want to enter with a very small, I want to enter with a very small stop loss. So what will happen here? So just let me go to 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes will give me the clear picture like I want to see. Yeah, we have it right there, 15-minute time frame. I'll just take my short right there before the 30-minute candlestick close. Take my short from 15 minutes and then come down. You can see what happened, and it's worked. So most of the time, at times you can hit your stop loss before you it continue moving. So 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame is the lowest that I recommend you should go to very big a trade. So very simple. Follow market structure on daily time frame. Is it downtrend or uptrend? Then go to lower time frame. Go to 4 hours time frame. Mark out key levels that are very close to the current price movement. Then go to 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time frame to look for entry opportunities on that. So I take my day trade for the day. So like this now, I'm looking for a buy now for today. I want to look for that. We already have some bullish signs right here on 4 hours, which, like I said, it is holding already. I want to close bullish. If I want to enter 4 hours time frame for a swing trading, yeah. But if I want to enter for a day trading stuff, I would like to see price break out of this zone, break out of here, and then come back to retest something like this. And then like this. And I think this will be cool to enter, take a trade, buy to this zone. So that is very easy and very simple to do. So if you have any question to ask, you can drop your questions in the chat in the comment section. I'm going to attend to your questions. Thank you. Bye.